welcome to Tutorials by David, and today we'll be having a quick comparison between the Tradesyncer versus the Replikanto. In 2026, the Tradesyncer and Replikanto are two of the most talked about trade copier tools for futures and multi-account trading, but they take very different approaches. First off is Tradesyncer. It is a cloud-based copier that lets you execute trades on a leader account and instantly replicate them across multiple followers account without installing software or VPS. Integrating with platforms is like Ninja Trader, TradingView, Tradeovate, Rhythmic, and more, while offering built-in analytics and risk management tools. Its cloud infrastructure aims for real-time execution and multi-broker support, though user feedback shows a mix of smooth experiences and occasional bugs of costly sync errors that some traders blame on settings or latency. Next up is Replikanto. This one is a Ninja Trader specific add-on that focuses on flexibility and customization. It provides multiple copy methods, support for ATM strategy replication, cross-order mapping, network or remote modes, and risk guard features like follower protection and step-plus scaling. Its strength lies in granular control and support for complex setups, but performance and latency can depend heavily on your hardware, network, and VPS environment. And it also requires local installation and configuration rather than cloud simplicity.